I know how frustrating it can be for CapCut users, especially if you rely on it because it is beginner friendly, it's packed with great effects and transition, but you can't afford the pro version. A lot of creators feel left out for that reason. But the good news is, in today's video, I'm going to show you a way to use CapCut Pro features for free without installing any suspicious software, without visiting unsafe website, and with no cracked versions at all. This method is completely safe and it works directly with CapCut files that already exist on your computer. You don't need to log in and it works on any version of CapCut you're using. Make sure you watch this video to the end because skipping one step could cause it not to work. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So here we are in CapCut, and as you can see, I created this edit of Messi, okay? Created this edit, and I've added some, pro features like that. I've added some pro features. Now, if I want to export it right now, you can see it says you're using the following. You can see, so I cannot export it with these pro features. So here is a way to go about it. Click on back to edit. Select everything on your timeline. Right click and tap on create compound clip. Okay. After doing that, you can see it turns all of them into one. But if you want to undo this, you can just right click and tap on undo compound clip. Okay. So after that, right click here and tap on preprocess compound clip. Okay. Tap on it. After tapping on it, as you can see, it's preprocessing and you have to wait for it to finish. And after that, we move to the next step. Okay, after the pre-processing is done, all you need to do is to search for CapCut application on your PC. Search for it like this, and then you right click on it and you tap on open file location. Okay, so when you are here, as you can see, this is a shortcut. Right click again and you tap on open file location again, and it brings you here and you can see the CapCut version I'm using. Alright, so go back, open user data, scroll to project, open it up, open this up. Alright, so now you have to check the name of your edit of your project. It's 1231 in bracket 01. Okay, so you just look for that folder over here. 1231 is it. Open it up, open resources, open combination, and you make it in grid format. As you can see, we have two of them over here. So this is the one I was supposed to use, but sometimes it will appear like this, and when you play it, it's not going to play. Okay, this is how it's going to behave. So if you experience that, all you need to do is to go to your CapCut, open the media, this media where you drop all your files, right? You import this one, not the white one. You import this other one, import it to CapCut, you drop it here. As you can see, it now comes in a video format, right? You drag it on top of this other clip on your timeline, select it and you delete it. Delete the previous one, okay? Because if you don't delete the previous one and you want to export, it's gonna still show you the same thing. So right, select it, you delete, and then you tap on export. And voila, here you can choose the location that you want to export this video. Let me choose the location that I want to export. So that's it. I put in the name, Messi edit 001. Okay, put any resolution of your choice. I will choose 2K and choose any resolution of your choice. All of this MP4, 30 frames per second, and all of that. Check the audio, make sure so that you export with the audio. And after that, you click on export. As you can see, that's it. So after that, you can cancel. But if you still want to get your files back that you were working on, you can just undo it. Undo again. Voila, undo till you get all your files back, but your video has already been exported. You can close it and you can go to where your videos were supposed to be exported. So as you can see, this is it over here. You open it up, make sure it's in grid format, and this is it over here. So that's your video there. So double click on it. Emotional. make sure that this trick work, you need to actually use the older version of CapCut. So just go on Google, search for CapCut PC old version, and you go to this website called Up to Down, and you're going to scroll down and you'll see different old versions of CapCut. So you install any of them and try it again. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.